Hi there, good evening everyone. My name is Pawan Gandhi, and this is a testimonial for Avalon Meta's Pro League, which was run by Prakhar Gupta. So I did purchase this paid course like a couple of months back, and I'm just gonna share how my experience was throughout the last 2 months. So yeah, here I go. So for me personally, it was really special because there was this particular belief which I wanted to change, but then all that time I was sort of having the half knowledge, through the internet. But yeah, I mean, through this course, I acquired the correct knowledge, or rather tools, and I mean, I just implemented it and I got results. So yeah, I'm pretty glad about it, and I'm super grateful to Avalon Meta and Prakhar Gupta. I mean, talking about the content of the course, Prakhar really taught us in a certain way how to really think, but not just on a surface level, but from a very deep level. But talking about the content of the course, we came to know how one can build his own reality, how the personal reality works, how social reality works, and not just that. He taught about the negative drivers in life, which is fear, shame, insecurities. How could you leverage it to your own advantage? And not just that, he also taught us about the positive drivers in life. So there's this one interesting topic which, I mean, all the people from his pro league could relate, was when he taught about fear. This dude really changed the way I look at fear now. Before, natural instinct was, to get scared, but then, I mean, because of this pro league, I have slowly but steadily started facing my fears, and yeah, I mean, it's worked out pretty good for me. So yeah, if there is anyone wondering whether they should still go for the pro leagues organized by Avalon Meta, I would definitely recommend you, because I myself had a really good experience. And yeah, I mean, I would definitely recommend it to anyone, because I mean, the mentors are A1. Like seriously, I can't even stress enough on this. Amazing bunch of people, really knowledgeable, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, what else do you want, right?